Hi guys, my name is Jun Onn and I'm here to present my robot. This robot is called the speed meter. It measures speed, the speed of an object, like this truck over here. So how does it work, you ask? This robot has an IR sensor, which is located here, and a touch sensor. As the object goes down the slope, the IR sensor then detects the object and starts a timer. When the object hits the touch sensor, it just stops the timer. The data is then sent to the controller, which has the formula of velocity. The velocity is shown through the gear motor, which then mimics the speed or the velocity of the object. Then the data is sent to the computer, which displays it more accurately and more detailed in the output monitor here. So now for the demonstration, I'll be using two objects, the tennis ball and the truck. Okay, firstly I'll use the truck. As it goes down, the IR sensor detects and a sound is produced. As it hits the touch sensor, another sound is also produced and it goes through the controller. It's shown that the truck is moving at 854, which is the value of the speed. But when I replace it with the tennis ball, as it goes down, it's shown that the value is around 1000-ish. So it shows that the tennis ball, which is actually heavier than the truck, moves faster than the truck. So now I'll show you how the angle of the slope can also determine the speed. Here's the constant. The truck will move down and the speed is, again, around 800. But when the angle of the slope is changed as it goes down, it shows that this is slower, so the speed is around 500. So it shows that the angle of the slope plays a big part in making the speed faster or slower. Here's a close-up demo. I'll use this truck for example. As it goes down the slope, the IR sensor starts a timer, and as it touches the touch sensor, the touch sensor stops the timer. It is then sent to the controller, which allows the gear motor to move at the actual speed. In the monitor here, it's shown that the left shows the data in milliseconds, and on the right, it shows the speed in centimeter per second. My source of inspiration is essentially me entering Form 4. Every time I enter physics class, or any class in that matter, I was always fascinated to learn that any sort of device in the lab can be used to teach students in a more effective way. For example, in physics, the ticker timer is used to calculate acceleration. So I was inspired to make a robot or a device which can be used in classrooms all around the world. For instance, the length can easily be plotted into the program, which makes calculating velocity easier. This can also teach students in a more effective way. I hope in school, teachers will use devices like these to make studying interesting. It really gets students to further understand in an easier way. So thank you for watching.